Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm taking the classic fried chicken to a whole new level of flavor. Fried chicken cooked in soy sauce. Now let's get cooking. Okay, let's get started. I have here 3 chicken legs and three chicken thighs, all soaked and washed and ready for seasoning. I have here a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of complete, 1/4 teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Sazon. I'm going to mix that all up and season the chicken. Seasoning is now done. I added all the seasonings that I mentioned, and also notice that I made some holes into the chicken. See you on the next step. In a pot, I added 3 cups of water. To the water, I'm going to add 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and some leeks, and 4 garlic cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of grounded peppercorn, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir this, and we're going to bring this to a boil. This soy sauce mixture came to a boil, and we're going to add the seasoned chicken. And we are going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. I'm going to set my Fitbit watch for 20 minutes. See you then. The 20 minutes are up. We're going to take the chicken out, and we're going to put it on this rack, all the pieces. All the chicken pieces are now on the rack, and we're going to leave it here and let it dry for 15 minutes. And then we go to the next step. Okay, this is the last step. The pan is now hot, and we're going to add the chicken in here to fry this up. This should take no longer than about 5 to 10 minutes. Fried chicken with soy sauce is now ready. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Cheers to good food. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And I appreciate all your support. Thank you.